10 Samachir Max exercise 6.2 first sum. You are going to deal here about angle of elevation. For example, you are standing on the ground. You are standing on the ground. You are looking at the top of a building. See, suppose this is your building. Okay. From the ground, you are looking at the building means your eyes will be tilting up. You are looking up, your head up. Okay, you are elevating your head. So an angle will be formed with the ground. When compared to the ground, you will be forming an angle of theta. For example, it may be 30, 60, 45, 90, like that it can be. Okay, so elevation means you are looking up to see something which is on the top. So the angle will be considered as an angle of elevation. So this exercise you are going to deal fully about angle of elevation. You are going to find the angle when the length is given, or when the length is given you will find the angle, like that one unknown you are supposed to find out. Now find the angle of elevation of a top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower of height 10 root 3. So here height of the tower is given as foot of a tower of height it is given. So the height of the tower is 10 root 3. So this is considered to be a tower. I will write it as TO. So now this is your ground. Okay, so this is the ground. The tower is here. Okay, so the height of the tower is given as 10 root 3. Find the angle of elevation of a top of a tower from the point on the ground. Point on the ground, actually the person who is standing is considered to be as a point only, considered as a point here. Okay, so from here he is looking at the top of the tower. An angle of elevation of theta is being formed and it is given. The tower is, the person who is standing is 30 meter away from the tower. So this is a tower, means the person is standing here who is 30 meter away from the tower. Okay, so now they have given, I will read the question again. Find the angle of elevation of a top of a tower from the point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. So from the foot of the tower the person is standing at 30 meter away from the ground, on the ground. Okay, so now they have asked you to find the angle of elevation. So this theta you are supposed to find out. So you are given here, you know, this is 90 degree. You remember trigonometric ratios will be applicable only if the one of the angle is 90 degree. So one angle must be surely 90 degree, only then trigonometric ratios can be used. Okay, that is in a right angle triangle only trigonometric ratios can be applied. So here the height is, this is, you know, this is your theta, means this is opposite to theta. So this is your opposite side. This is near theta. So this is your adjacent side. This is your adjacent. This is your opposite. Okay, so you know you are going to find the angle, means opposite and adjacent is given, means the angle you can use is tan theta. You know tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So you are going to use the formula of tan theta. So opposite value is what? 10 root 3. Adjacent is 30. So your tan theta you are supposed to find, that is you are supposed to find theta. So it is equal to, cancel means you will get 3. Root 3 by 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Okay. So now I am writing 3 as root 3 into 3. Now you cancel means 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 when do you get? When in tan. So theta is supposed to be 30 degree. You know tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So this is tan theta is 1 by root 3, means theta is automatically 30 degree. So your first sum is over.